The whole course is basically works in a real world way. So it's really easy to translate what we learn in the classroom to a festival situation. So I'm doing front of house on the Dirty Disco behind us. So it's a small stage of DJs, bit of sound system, a little bit of mixing.
Today we're in charge of putting up the sound system, tuning it, making sure it's safe and ready for the punters tomorrow. Noise propagation as well.
My responsibilities is be running the stage, running patch, making sure all the bands are getting on and off correctly, everything's getting audio where it needs to be, and just general stage work and building the system and breaking it on Monday.
Everything I've learned is kind of all involved in one stage. Like we've got bands, we've got system tech stuff, we've got patch, front of house engineering, monitor engineering, so it's like a really good opportunity to basically collaborate all those skills into one sort of gig. And yeah, with a good crew as well, so it's a lot of fun.
My favourite part of being an engineer is having the responsibility to pick and choose, not necessarily working under people, rather working in a team, and just the social part of it, you know. Everyone's keen to have a chat and get on with each other.
Part of the thing that I enjoy about the industry is definitely the networking, the people you meet, and also just being able to make lots and lots of noise, and yeah, constantly learning along the way as well, so it's a good gig really.
It's a great atmosphere, great experience. Like, I've always kind of loved being in this sort of atmosphere for a long time, sort of even partying and just being on a festival site. It's great fun. It's great to kind of be part of a team and kind of conquer any challenges when they come up, and just get things going, get things rolling how they should be.
My favourite part of working at a sound crew at a festival is definitely working outside and having a nice different crew of people every festival you go to.
Favourite part of Balter is seeing all my friends here, because it's 20 minutes from Bristol. It's great that dBs get people involved in a festival so close, and you end up seeing countless people that you know here.
I've worked on about 10 or 12 festivals in total over the last 3 years.
I did Boomtown, did Balter last year.
I've also been working various sort of club nights through Tom and through stuff like that, which has sort of now led on to working for some production hire companies and getting paid in the industry, which is amazing after just 1 year of being at uni.